This is Math on Monday Presents, Building Math Courage. Snow has begun here in the Northwest, and the mountaintop has some snow from last night. It's a perfect time to learn your nines. Hey, let's do that by counting by nines, right? And usually what we're going to do here is look at the nines pattern. And one interesting way to add nines is to add 10 and subtract 1. The reason we're using that is because it's so easy to add 10. Let's take a look. Okay, first of all, we have 1 9. Now, if we add 10, we know that's 19. Now, if we take away 1, that makes 18. Let's continue. Try to think ahead. For instance, here, what you might want to do is say 46 minus 1 is 45. 55 minus 1 is 54. Nines are such an interesting pattern. All right, let's take a look. We're going to try to find out that pattern. You sure could see that there seemed to be a pattern. We're going to click our mouse, and we're going to find the relationship between the multiply by and the tens digit of the product. Let's watch. And in the first case, if we multiply by 2, let's take a look at the tens digit of the product, or the first number of the product. 9 times 4, the tens digit of the product is? There you go. Well, I think you could notice the fact that they multiply by and the tens digit of the product are easy to figure out from each other. So if you say 9 times 8, you know it's going to be 7. It's a nice pattern. 9 times 7, you know it's going to start with a 6. Is there a rule? The tens digit of the product is 1 less than the multiply by. Kind of cool. I love nines. Nines are such an interesting number. All right, now let's see if we can we see a pattern? If we know the tens digit of the product, can we figure out the ones digit of the product? Well, let's take a peek. Now, I know you see that decreasing by 1, and I know when you see the tens digit increasing by 1. But I'm really interested in you seeing, the individual pattern for each situation. If we have a 2, can we figure out we need a 7? If we have a 3, can we figure out that we need a 6? A 4? There's a 5. Let's proceed. Let's take a peek here. You notice that if you add the tens digit and the ones digit of a 9 product, it always adds to 9. Numbers are such fun. That's one of the reasons I love math, is I was looking for patterns. The ones digit plus the tens digit of a product always equals 9. So you're looking for numbers that add to 9. If you start with a 7, you need a 2. If you start with a 4, you need a 5. If you start with a 5, you need a 4. Let's see if you've learned your 9s. First click, you think about what the tens digit should be, and then click again, and think about what the ones digit should be. Click again, and see the result. There it is. Think. What two numbers add to 9? There you go. 9 times 3 is 7. 9 times 7 is 63. Remember, you can pause and see if you can think about what's ahead. Here you go. Let's do the rest. It will help to sort of say, when you go 9 times 9, that's 8 and 1. 9 times 4 is 3 and a 6. 9 times 6 is a 5 and a 4. 9 times 2, an easy one, is a 1 and an 8. If you look, those are special numbers. I love the way 9s are. I can recognize a 9. You know, this has to also do with the divisibility rule. If you want to know if something is divided by 9 or is divisible by 9, all you have to do is add the digits. And if that's divisible by 9, you know that the number is divisible by 9. Love my 9s. I hope you're having a good day. You learn your 9s, and it's a great day. Thank you. Signing off.